आई एम डॉक्टर गीतिका रावत। वेलकम टू माय चैनल। जैसा कि आपको ऑलरेडी पता चल गया होगा, आज का वीडियो है ह्यूज मिंत्रा शूज हॉल। तो मैंने बहुत डिफरेंट टाइप के और बहुत ही अच्छे शूज ऑर्डर किए हैं मिंत्रा से। You're gonna like a lot of them, तो वीडियो का एंड तक जरूर देखना और लाइक और सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर देना।
So first in the shoe segment, I have these casual walking shoes. As you can see, the pattern is really nice. Like they have given these color details and also there is mesh pattern. Detailing में कोई कमी नहीं है. Nicely stitched and the sole is also thick, good quality sole. Heeled shoes हैं. So somebody who has an issue with height also can opt for these shoes because they come with good amount of heels. And for the price it is at just rupees 650. तो मुझे प्राइस के हिसाब से काफ़ी अफोर्डेबल एंड डुएबल लगा. इट्स नॉट अ रनिंग शूज़, तो ऑफकोर्स मैं एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर सकती हूँ कि इसकी बहुत हाई क्वालिटी हो. बट येस, फॉर गोइंग अराउंड रनिंग एराउंड्स, लाइक आई हैव पेयर्ड इट विद दीज डेनिम, सो यू कैन पेयर दीज शूज़ अकॉर्डिंगली. दे आर क्वाइट वर्सेटाइल एंड अफोर्डेबल. Next I have these very doable sandals. Like these are black color and as you can see it has these transparent detailing. सामने से भी black tone में transparent है. So of course transparent heels is something which you should have in your wardrobe as they are very easy to pair. Plus it comes with these block heels. पीछे से भी transparent है, so it gives a very classy look. This is priced at around 1300 rupees and I think it is very comfortable for the price and looks very beautiful too. I have paired it with this shiny dress to kind of balance out my whole outfit, and it looks very comfortable and I can really dance in these heels. Next I have in shoes these sheriff boots. So you must be thinking that whether we can wear boots in summers or not, but I absolutely love this one and I would recommend you to buy this one because not only they look very classy and chic, but also they are made up of cloth material, so that way they are very comfortable and very easy to wear during summers also. As you can see, they look very beautiful and they are priced for around 2000 something, which I think is an absolutely justified price. I have paired this boots with these short skirts, so they look very nice with skirts, denim, all kind of outfits you can wear them and amp up your whole look. Next I have these very beautiful kitten heels for someone who likes comfortable heel. Again, as you can see, these are transparent block kitten heels, so they are absolutely comfortable. They have given this bow detailing, so this is basically a muled shape heels and they are priced for just rupees 750 approximately, and I think they are absolutely must have for the price. Look at how pretty they are looking. I have paired it with one of the dress and they have absolutely kind of changed my whole look and made my feet look so stunning and so cute. They are absolutely comfortable, so that's why I can wear it anywhere with any of my dresses without even thinking twice. In case you want links of these shoes, I have already mentioned all the links in the description. If you cannot find anything, you can definitely comment down. Next in the heel segment, I have again these very heavily embroidered heels. These are great for those Indo-Western outfits and as you can see, comfort for me is a priority. So again, I have went for these block heels. They are very chunky block heels, so of course you will have an added comfort, and these are from a brand name House of Pataudi. They have a beautiful collection, especially if you are looking for something Indo-Western, and as you can see, I have paired it with one of my party wear dress and then also they look absolutely stunning. Like this is very versatile heel, you can wear it with your western as well as your Indian outfits. The price at rupees 1828, yes, a little bit on the expensive side, but I absolutely love the quality of this brand, so you can definitely give it a try, especially if you have some wedding or some function coming across. Next we have this tan boots. As you can see, it has these detailings on the ankles. These are basically ankle boots. The reason I wanted to cover these boots specifically, also knowing that it is summertime, that these are again very short heighted boots. You can easily wear it during summer too if it suits you, and they are also very comfortable with these block heels. So yes, there are so many options to choose from on the website itself. For these brown boots, you can go for any of the brown boot, and brown boot is something, yeah, tan boot is something which you should definitely have in your wardrobe to, you know, kind of scale up your outfit. Next, of course, I had to cover a golden heel, something that goes well with your Indian as well as Western outfit. You can see the heels part. They given this very cylindrical, nice detailing. So this heel particularly looks very classy. This is again under rupees 1200 or 1300. I think it's great for the amount, and I have paired it with this Indian outfit, but I'm sure you can pair it very easily with a Western outfit also, and they are very comfortable and absolutely gorgeous golden heels. So I think golden heels is something which should be there in your wardrobe, considering that we wear a lot of Indian wear and Western, and golden goes with almost anything. Next, we have these very beautiful and classy, great for your formal as well as semi-formal looks. These pumps in white color. White color is again a must-have in your wardrobe. You should definitely invest in a heel or a shoe that is white or cream color, especially if you are office going. These are going to match with so many of your outfits in several ways. You can wear it with a dress, with your trousers, any which ways, whatever suits you. Plus, again, comfort is a priority, so it has block heels because these are pump shoes. So I absolutely like the quality of these heels. They are also again under rupees 1200 something. I must have mentioned on the screen or in the description. Next, we have these again another metallic colored heels. These are block heels, metallic, and also with this buckle detailing for ease to wear. So this color is absolutely stunning. Again, a metallic color, a copper shade, but these heels are gonna work really good with all your Indian as well as Western outfits. So yeah, investing in some of the metallic heels is of course a priority, and I bought these for around, I think, 1300, again under the 1300 rupees segment. And as you can see, I have paired it with this pretty dress that is in silver. So metallic, the best part about metallics is you can always mix and match, and they are gonna look absolutely stunning. So yes, again 100 marks for these heels. They are very comfortable and very beautiful. Next, the most trending loafers. Like, loafers is something which has been trending since past 2 years, and everyone should have at least one loafer in their wardrobe. I went for these heeled platform loafers. They are great for someone who wants heeled appearance and also want to look taller as compared to the normal height. So these platform heels kind of give the appearance of a longer and taller height. And you can go for basic loafers also. I went for these metallic ones. These loafers were very lightweight and are just approximately 700 rupees only. I think it's a must buy. They look absolutely stunning. As you can see, I'm wearing it with these black leggings and a pullover above, and I paired it with this classic bag. So I absolutely love how these loafers have brought about this significant change in my look.
Thank you so much guys for watching this video. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज लाइक और सब्सक्राइब कर देना. अगर मैंने कोई पॉइंट मिस कर दिया हो तो नीचे कमेंट कर देना. मैं डेफिनेटली रिप्लाई करूंगी. टेक केयर, मच लव.